Hey guys, it's Jeremy again. Welcome to part 4 of our Tesla traffic video series. Last video I taught you guys how to join groups, okay, in your targeted niche, and how to configure your settings so that you don't get your account restricted and all that stuff. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to take those groups that we just joined and create a campaign for those groups so that we can start posting ads every single day on autopilot within those groups, okay? And I'm also going to show you how to write proper ad copy for Facebook groups, because if you don't write your ad copy right, then you're not going to get a lot of conversion, or you're not going to get conversions, you're not going to get engagements with your ads. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that properly, okay? Yeah, like in the last video I showed you guys how to add groups. So what we're going to do, first of all, you're going to check if you've got approved into those groups, okay? If you go to your Facebook account, you should be getting notifications saying that you've got approved into those groups, okay? Or if you want to check even easier way, just go to tools, okay? Make sure you're on tools again, and go up to joiner at the top right here, joiner, okay? And then we're going to go down to where it says active join request, okay? And as you can see, this group right here, Make Money Online Elite Group, has over 6,875 members. All right, so you can see how many members you have. And if you look a little further to the right, it shows you the status. And as you can see, this group is still pending, meaning that I'm still waiting to get accepted into this group. All right, so this is a quick way you can check if you've got approved or not, because when you get approved, it's the status just simply tells you that you're in there. It says approved, okay? So once you got some groups that you've joined and you're approved for them, let's go ahead and create a destination list. What a destination list is simply a list of groups that you specifically choose to use in your campaign. Okay, so it's just a list of groups that you want to use for your campaign. All right. So click on destination list, and we're going to type a name for our list. So for video purposes, I'm just going to type in TTS for Tesla Traffic System, okay? And then we're going to go next to our account. We're going to click on groups right here where it says 019 selected. It should tell you how many groups you are already joined or you're already in. So just click on this blue link right here. All right, so after that, you should see a list of all of the groups that you're currently in. Okay, pop up. Now what you're going to want to do is simply choose all of the groups that you want to include in your list. Okay, so for this video I'm just going to choose like 4 groups that I want to be in. If you don't want to choose individual groups, you could just simply click on select all, and it'll select all the groups for you and add them to the list. Alright, matter of fact, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to click on select all. Okay, so I'm going to include all of these groups that we added earlier, or that I'm currently joined into to my campaign, my destination list, sorry. So after you click your groups, just exit that window. All right, and that's it. So you created you don't have to press anything else. You already created your destination list, okay? So now what you want to do is click on campaigns, because we're going to create a new campaign so we can start posting ads. At the top, just simply click on add campaign, and then click on add standard campaign, and then just give it a name again, the usual TTS, and then shorten all URLs, allow publishing of texts. Alright, just leave the settings as they are, okay? Advanced settings, anything that I want to, there we go. Actually, that's it. Okay, so that's all you have to do, just type in the name of your campaign. Alrighty. Now just simply go up to right here, what to publish. Actually, we'll do that last, okay? Go to where to publish, okay? So click on where to publish. Now we're going to select the destination list that we created just now, all right? So this is the one that we created, because remember we selected 19 groups, all right? So you simply check that, and then head over up here to when to publish, because we're going to set our scheduling for our ads. All right, now as you can see, it's already by default set to this campaign will publish 5 posts per day between 12 a.m. and 11:59 p.m. Just leave the time frame as is, but then let's change the number of posts to around, let's do, to be safe, let's start off at 35 posts a day. Okay, and as you can see, it propagated a bunch of pre-selected times for you. So at each of these times you see here, that's when your ad will be posted. Okay, and to make sure here, this is important, guys. Okay, so click on this right here, randomize publishing timers each day. Okay, what that does, it mixes up the publishing times so that you don't look so suspicious in Facebook's eyes. Okay, it kind of keeps you on the safe side from getting your account restricted. So also what you want to do is randomize the number of posts each day, and we're going to set these variables at let's do 20 to 35. So at and then so keep it around, oops, I don't know why it turned into 20 to 35. Okay, let's start off at there, right there. Once you start getting more comfortable with the system, and you start adding more posts and stuff, you can increase the posts per day by like maybe 5 or 10. Don't ever increase it more than 100 posts per day for each ad, okay? Because you will get your account restricted, and that's I've learned that by trial and error, okay? So you don't want to do that. Alright guys, so make sure this box is checked, add random sleep time, okay? Make sure that's checked. And then we're gonna make sure it's set at 4 and 5, and then this field right here, make sure this field is 5, and make sure this is 10. Okay, so what this does is between every 5 and 10 posts that the system or the software posts, okay, it will take a 4 to 5 minute break. Alright, so that's to keep your account from getting restricted. Now, by default, this value right here is going to be 120. What this value is, it's the amount of time the system takes to post an ad. Alright, so right now I have it at 120, so every 120 seconds the software will post an ad for me. By default, you just want to keep that there. And okay, so and the days of the week right here, just leave as is. So that's it, guys. That's it for the scheduling. Alright, just leave as is. So now what you want to do is head over to what to publish. Okay, click the what to publish tab. After that, this is where we publish our ads. Okay, so here's my guideline, guys. This is the way to write proper ad copy on Facebook. This is my guideline that I use every single time I post an ad in Facebook groups. Okay, it's similar to just like any other ad you post. You have a catchy headline, and you offer some kind of benefit, and then after that you have some sort of call to action. All right, so here's a simple template that you guys can use every time you guys post an ad on Facebook. So you're gonna start off with a catchy headline. Okay, it could be anything from like, make $100 extra, $50 to $100 a day with this proven system, whatever. Okay, it can something catchy. All right, and then after that you're gonna add some benefits. All right, every time you list benefits on your ad, make sure you denote them with a hyphen. All right, so every time you list a benefit, make sure you put a hyphen. All right, and list your benefit that way. So for example, we'll do like free to join. That's one benefit. We can do easy to get started. All right, so yeah, you guys get the point. So after you do your catchy headline and then write a list of benefits, you are going to want to have a call to action. So that could be anything from say telling the audience to message me. Okay, a popular thing on Facebook is people write in their ad, they always mention their call to action is usually message me for more info. Okay, so people usually say tell people to message them for more info if they want, more info on their business opportunity. So that's one really popular thing. And what happens is people start to comment on your post and ask for info. They'll just type info and or they'll message you and ask for info that way. And when you start seeing, if you want to use this call to action and you don't want to put your link in the ad, you can simply click on each one of those people's profiles that ask for info in the comments section and then send them info by messaging them. Okay. Oh, and also, if you do use this call to action, the message me for info call to action, you're going to want to head over to Facebook, all right? Because people are going to start sending you messages and you don't want to, this is important, you don't want to miss out on any leads. So go to your Facebook and click on messages, okay? And then you'll see this tab right here that says more. You're going to want to click on this filter tab, okay? Because what happens is when someone's not your friend on Facebook and they try to send you a message, you will, their message will end up in your filtered folder. It's pretty much like the spam folder on Facebook, okay? So make sure you check that because you'll miss a ton of leads if you do not check this folder, this filtered folder right here. Make sure that's checked to view that folder, okay? So yeah, that's one call to action that a lot of people use. That's if you don't want to put your link. So another call to action, you can just say, click the link below to join, and then you would include your link right there. Bam. So for example, I can do Tesla traffic system.info, and when people see that link and that call to action, they'll start clicking on your link, and then yeah, you'll start getting tons of clicks, guys. That's that easy. All right. Hey guys, sorry the video got cut off because I exceeded my time limit, but anyway, I just deleted the guideline, so make sure you write the guideline down. All right. So like I was saying, I don't know where I left off, but to make your ad convert even more, you're going to want to add photos, at least 2 to 3 photos. It could be anything from your payment proof to, how many subscribers you got with your method, just something captivating, okay? So you want to add at least 2 to 3 captivating photos and just add them to your post. Also, you're going to want to click on this checkbox right here where it says, or this one right here that says use Facebook sell posts. And what that does is it, for certain groups, there's a different way of posting. For example, let me show you. Let me click on one of these work from home groups that I'm in. Okay, as you can see right here, this is one of the work from home groups. This one in particular has almost 24,000 members. Okay, it's just for one group. It's a crazy amount of exposure you get for your ads, guys, with this method. It's ridiculous. I don't think I should have been selling it for this cheap, but hopefully you guys find this valuable and hopefully you guys appreciate this. So anyway, let me see. Let's see, work from home. Okay, so as you can see, this one's just a regular, the regular Facebook post format. Okay, so what I mean is, for certain groups, let me go back to that one group I was in. Oh, here's another group, for example. This one has 27,000 members. So for certain groups, it's a different post format. This one in particular asks for what you're selling, and it's kind of like an eBay deal. You have to add a price and all that stuff. So the reason why I tell you guys to click this check mark right here is so that the software knows what to input in those fields. So just make sure that you click that checkbox and just add anything in the title. For me, I always put a little $sign. And then what you can do is you can also spin your ad text. So if you click spin text, it will open up a window. Oh, sorry. So it'll open up this window right here, and it will let you spin your ad text. But you're gonna have to, I don't have anything in my ad. I didn't write anything in the box, so it's not gonna show up here. But once you write your ad and you click spin text, you'll be able to spin your ad copy. And what that does, it makes it so that it looks like more you're having a more natural activity on Facebook, so you don't look so suspicious, like I said, and get restricted. All right. So once you have your ad written, so for example, let's just write anything like make money online today, $50 a day potential. and then just type like free to join, and then click link below to access or for instant access. And then you would write your link. I'll do Tesla traffic system.info. So once you write your ad, you're just going to click on add to post list. Okay. Now, after you click add to post list, it will add it to your, you just click on post list tab and you should see your ad right there. Okay. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to overview, and then you're going to hit start publishing. Now what that does is it just fires your campaign, just launches your campaign, and what it does is now it allows you to publish your posts. So when you click that, you want to go to your post list again and then find which post you want to publish, and then you click on publish now, and your ad will start going out to all of those groups that we selected in our destination list. Alright, it's that simple, guys. So as you can see here, it shows you how many posts were successful, and it also shows you the status of your posts, or I mean of your campaign, okay, of this particular ad. So if you want to stop it at any time, you say, you know, this goes to 10, or you get 10 successful posts, you can just stop it whenever you want, and that's it. And then you can just restart it later. So say that, you know, your ad stops posting, okay, and you want to re-add it to your post list. You just click on re-add, and what it does is it brings it back to your post list so you can just publish it again. So the next day you want to rerun this campaign, you just go ahead and click publish now, and boom, it just fires it up again and starts posting back to all of our 19 groups that we joined. Alright, so this right here is so powerful, guys. Like, this is the whole system in a nutshell for its traffic, for getting traffic. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to use this system to make money, you know, getting traffic at the same time. I'll show you guys what I mean later on in the next video. But yeah, it's so powerful, guys, just because these 19 groups that we're posting in, if you remember, if we go back to, what was it, tools, let me go over to our campaign here. If we look at these, for example, these groups right here, remember these groups that we found? This one group in particular has 24,000 people. Okay, we joined 19 groups, so imagine you add all these members up. Okay, so you know, 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 24,000, it all adds up, guys. Just getting your ad in front of 19 different groups, okay, just 19 groups. Just think about how much exposure that is already. Just for one ad, you can add as many posts as you want to this software and just let that run all day. All right, so yeah, you guys can see how powerful this is, guys. You know, use this to promote your landing pages, your squeeze pages, build your lists. All right, because I've gotten so many opt-ins from this, it's not even funny. I just checked my Aweber account and I see like how many opt-ins I got for the day. It's just simply using the Tesla traffic system. It's amazing. So yeah, guys, that's simply how to post in all of your groups with the Tesla traffic system. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to monetize this system, how to use this system and twist it so that you can actually start selling this as a service to make extra money every single day. All right, guys, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys you know, like this video, and I hope you guys found it, you know, very easy to understand. I hope I was very, you know, thorough with it as well. So yeah, guys, go ahead and watch part number 5, or video number 5, where I show you guys how to sell this as a service and how to make money from the system. And yeah, see you guys in video number 5. Take care.